Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. First of all, we have to open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, all of these steps which I will show you, you can kind of recreate in your browser because this operation is kind of similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it. Alright, so let me enter the Google Chrome as I said, then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of previously visited websites. I do not have a really long list, but that's okay. Basically, what I wanted to show you is that if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is too long to do that manually, or you want to remove some advanced data, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. And in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to even all time or last 4 weeks, whatever. Up to you, of course, which option you want to use. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, right now the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.